Hey boys and girls. So it is a new month. We are in the month of April, and this month we're going to be talking about bugs or insects. And insects are neat because they all have 6 legs and they have 3 parts of the body: the head, the abdomen, and the thoracic area. Now, some insects that you're probably going outside and already seeing different types of insects and maybe not even know that you're seeing them. So one way we can look is you might start seeing these little creatures on the ground. These are ants. And they don't look like this when you see them. They look very tiny on the ground, but they do bite. And they do itch if they bite you. It will be very itchy and maybe even burn if they bite you. But normally what ants do is they're crawling across the ground looking for food. They're scavengers, and they can carry food that is 10 times more than their size. So they can carry food that is 10 times bigger than them, which is really cool because they're not that big. So you might see some ants, and they usually march in a little line. You usually see a line of ants crossing if you see a group of them. And this one I noticed on my window the other day. I've always found them on windows, but you can see them on leaves. They love to eat green leaves. It's a ladybug. And you can always tell a ladybug by her red body and black dots. And ladybugs are very nice. They like to eat all on green leaves. You might be playing outside and notice an insect that jumps really far. Grasshoppers are known for jumping really high and long distances. And you can't try to catch them because they are fast. And then this is the time of year when you're outside playing, you might see some caterpillars. And what do caterpillars turn into? Butterflies. Yep. So caterpillars are considered insects because they have the 3 body parts: the head, the thoracic, the abdomen, and 6 legs when they're a butterfly. And then you see these always buzzing around. A fly. You'll start to see a lot of flies come out. And also you might see bumblebees and wasps. They fly just like flies, but they have stingers. So you want to stay away from bumblebees and wasps. And then you might see some beetles. They like to be around wooded areas. And again, you see the head, the abdomen, and the thorax region. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And they have 2 pinchers up here. So when you're outside playing, look and see if you can find these bugs. Remember, you can catch them in a jar and observe them with a magnifying glass. There's a lot of bug kits out there that you can use to catch bugs, but make sure you don't pick them up with your hands. All right? But keep a lookout, and if you see any bugs outside today or insects, draw us a picture and send it to us.